In today's fast-moving world, your business needs to move with you. With the Odoo Community Mobile App, you're always connected, whether you're on the shop floor, out in the field, or working remotely. Create and manage orders on the go. Track inventory in real time. Follow up with leads, approve tasks, and collaborate with your team right from your phone or tablet. View dashboards, download reports, and access every module you need, from sales and CRM to projects, HR, and more. And with powerful new updates, Odoo Community Mobile is better than ever. Log in quickly and securely using biometric authentication. Switch between servers, databases, and user accounts in seconds. Share a link to the app's Play Store page with friends or colleagues. Download files directly to your phone and get notified when they're ready. Update your profile picture and contact info with ease. All within a sleek, modern interface designed for speed, simplicity, and flexibility. With Odoo in your pocket, your business is always within reach. Odoo Community Mobile work smarter. Move freely, run anywhere. Available now on Android and iOS.